Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reading George's New Dinosaur. Let's start reading. Peppa Pig, George's New Dinosaur. Peppa Pig, George's New Dinosaur. George's favorite toy is Mr. Dinosaur. George likes bouncing Mr. Dinosaur in the garden, playing with him at bath time, and cuddling with him when he goes to sleep. At bedtime, Peppa says, "George, I think Mr. Dinosaur is breaking." George is very upset. Mummy and Daddy Pig come to see why George is crying. "Poor George," says Daddy Pig. "Maybe it's time you got a new dinosaur." The next day, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig visit Mr. Fox's shop. "I'm sure we'll find a lovely dinosaur here, George," says Mummy Pig. "Look, George," says Daddy Pig, pointing to the shop window. "There's a big one." "Ooh, dinosaur!" "Here," says George. "Good morning," says Mr. Fox. "Can I help you?" "We'd like to buy the dinosaur in the window, please," says Daddy Pig. "Good choice," says Mr. Fox. "This is Dino-Roar. He walks, he talks, and he sings." "Dino-Roar!" "Yeah," says George. "We'll take it," says Daddy Pig. George is playing with Dino-Roar in the garden. Dino-Roar sings, "Dino-Roar, Dino-Roar. Listen to Dino-Roar. Roar." "Careful, George," says Daddy Pig. "Don't play too roughly because Dino-Roar will break." George wants to play with Dino-Roar in the bath. Splash, splash, splash! "Dino-Roar!" says George. Mummy Pig says, "George, if you get Dino-Roar wet, he'll stop working." Peppa and George are asleep in bed, but suddenly Dino-Roar comes to life. "Listen to Dino-Roar." "George," says Peppa, "Dino-Roar has woken me up." "Maybe Dino-Roar should sleep somewhere else," says Daddy Pig, taking Dino-Roar away. George is feeling sad. He cannot play with Dino-Roar in the garden or the bath or even in bed. "Don't worry, George," says Mummy Pig brightly. "Dino-Roar can still roar." Dino-Roar listen to Dino-Roar. Dino-Roar stops walking and talking completely. "I think the batteries must have run out," says Mummy Pig. "Already? How many are there?" grumbles Daddy Pig as batteries pour out of Dino-Roar. "Hundreds and thousands!" cries Peppa. Suddenly, Peppa spots something green under a bush. "What's this?" says Peppa. "Is it a trumpet?" "You found Mr. Dinosaur's tail," says Mummy Pig. "Now Daddy Pig can fix him." "He might be a bit difficult to fix," says Daddy Pig doubtfully. But the tail slips perfectly into place. "Ho, ho, ho," chuckles Daddy Pig. "Hello, Mr. Dinosaur," says Peppa. "Dinosaur!" says George. George is so happy to have his favorite toy back. Click! George George's new dinosaur. George's favorite toy is Mr. Dinosaur. When Mr. Dinosaur breaks, George gets a brand new toy. Dino-Roar walks, talks, and even sings. But can he replace George's old toy? Look for more Peppa Pig books at a store near you. Bye everyone. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow.